Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.67. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -9.63%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -3.21% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which may present a compelling buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.80 be breached, it would first indicate a slower rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 23.6% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 17.46% to 69.82%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -15.18%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -73.75% and 90.07% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $5.47 and $39.59. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation's stock price ended at $20.83 on Thursday, after losing 3.07%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 3.07% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, from $21.49 to $20.83. It has now fallen for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.82%, with a day low at $20.58 and a day high of $22.19. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 19.98% during this period. Volume also declined on the last day along with the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold for approximately $233.2 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, and the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 61.91%, or $33.85, below the 52-week high, and 73.76%, or $58.55, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, trading under the ticker DJT, is making headlines with its ambitious plans involving a $2.5 billion Bitcoin treasury. This strategic move comes amidst a backdrop of volatility, skepticism, and an oversold technical setup, prompting some analysts to initiate a buy rating on the stock. The company's pivot towards cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, aligns with its audience's interests and could create new monetization avenues, although the associated risks are notable. Despite its allure, DJT faces significant challenges. The company's fundamentals remain weak, showcasing minimal revenue, with first-quarter earnings reported at under $1 million and a staggering valuation that exceeds 1,800 times annual sales. This heavy dilution risk via its massive capital raise from investors further complicates its financial landscape. In the short term, DJT's stock might react positively to increased investor interest surrounding its Bitcoin initiative as market sentiment stabilizes. However, long-term prospects remain uncertain given its reliance on the popularity of former President Trump and ongoing cash burn. The juxtaposition of its ambitious cryptocurrency strategy against a backdrop of limited traditional business performance will be critical to watch. As such, traders should be mindful that while initial excitement may drive a near-term pop, the underlying financial realities will ultimately dictate DJT's future trajectory. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. Following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the price levels of $23.58 and $23.71. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 21.04%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, which occurred 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 71 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $20.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.61 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.82%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 9.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could represent a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, also with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On that day, Philip Yuhan again executed an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same date, Philip Yuhan conducted another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Lastly, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Yuhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the most recent 68 insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 21.272. In total, insiders acquired 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and have not established a stop loss. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the company will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 371 hundredths of a dollar, starting at $21.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.